Welcome back to another West Country Tech video. In this video we'll be taking a look at a site in Devon who required both an internet solution and a Wi-Fi solution for their business lets. To do this, we installed both a Starlink antenna for faster internet and Zyxel Wi-Fi access points in each let. The Starlink antenna was installed on a building apex to the rear of the site to be in the best position possible for signal and to allow it to move as needed. In each let, we installed a Wi-Fi access point providing each let with its own Wi-Fi connection, and allowing the owner to cap and control the speeds of each individual let as they see fit. Then, in the endmost let, as well as the access point, we have a governance box to house the main hardware for the system, keeping it protected and improving the longevity of our systems in the various conditions they are installed in.